Consider a game with a mixed strategy by dominance property. Here player A has 3 strategies and player B has 4 strategies. So first I will take the row minimums, that is minimum of these elements is -3 and -4 and -4. In these minimums I will consider the maximum, which is -3, and in columns I will consider the maximum elements. Those are 5, 5, 4, 5. In this the minimum value is 4. If we observe here, maximum not equal to minimax, so it is a mixed strategy. The problem has no saddle point. Now by dominance property I will add all the elements here. The sum -3 and +3 get cancelled and it is 9. In the same way calculated for rows, in this the least value is 0, and for 0 what we will do is we will see 4 is less than 5, -4 is less than -3, -3 is less than 3, and 3 is less than 4. So I will cancel the last row, that is R3, and we move to the column, and again we add these elements, and by adding the elements in the columns we will identify the highest element, the highest sum, that is 9, and here 4 is less than 5 and 5 is not less than. So I move to the next, and coming to the third, 4 is greater than -3 and 5 is equal to 5. So this can be cancelled. And next highest is 7. Again 3 is greater than 3 is less than 5. But 4 is greater than -3, so there no dominance. And coming to the third, -3 is less than 5, but 5 is not less than -4. Means here this is left. If I move to the rows also, here 5 is greater than -4, but -3 is not greater than 5. So these 3 are left over. So here what I do is I will take the average of columns 1 and 2. That is 5 minus 3 by 2 and -4 plus 5 by 2. And those values are being taken and compared with C3. If I compare these with C3, then 3 is greater than 1 and 4 is greater than half. So this is cancelled. Whatever is remaining is being taken, and by algebraic method it is solved. How we are solving is, here for row oddments we are taking D minus C and A minus P, and the sum of these will give the probabilities as 9 by 9 plus 8 is 9 by 17, and the probability P2 can be taken as 1 minus P1, or like this also, both give the same value. And for columns I will be taking D minus B as oddments and A minus C and by their sum, and the value of the game is taken as 5 into 9 plus -4 into 8 by 9 plus 8, and that will give the value 13 by 17. In the same way we can take the values as -3 into 9 plus 5 into 8, 5 into 8, that will also give the value as 13 by the sum of 9 plus 8, and this will give the value of the game. And the strategies are what are left here, and for player A there are 3 strategies, in which for 2 it is 19 by 17 and 8 by 17, the third one is 0, and for player B the strategies are 18 by 17, 9 by 17, 0, 0, as there are 4 strategies.